Hello, this is Tom with Alpha Consulting Group. Today we're going to take a look at the Mavic 2 Enterprise from DJI. This is DJI's smallest and most powerful commercial sUAS. So let's take a look. As you can see, we have a well laid out rotomolded case with plenty of room for extra accessories. So we'll start out with the remote control. Here we have spare cables. In here we have propellers, the owner's manual. Then here's the aircraft. Here is the power supply for charging all the batteries and all of the accessories that DJI offers. So let's take a look at this in more depth and see what we have. Right here is the new remote control for the Mavic 2 Enterprise. As you can see, it's very similar to the Mavic Pro. This has the ability to hold either a tablet or smartphone. And also with additional attachments, you could connect a crystal sky. This also has removable joysticks for transportation, as well as USB and the micro USB to Lightning cable. Next, we'll go with the accessories. Here we have the beacon. The beacon offers 3 miles of visibility for those nighttime operations. With that, you have a micro USB that will attach to your aircraft. Next, we'll go with the spotlight. The spotlight has the same type of attachment to it. This will then screw into the aircraft. The spotlight is adjustable for all of your needs. Next, we'll go with the speaker. The speaker offers 100 decibels at 1 meter. This is a very slick design. This is also adjustable just like the spotlight. And again, we have the micro USB to attach to the aircraft. Next, we'll go to the propellers. We have the full set of propellers for the aircraft, along with 2 additional spare propellers. Here are a few of the cables. This first cable is USB-C to USB. This is for the crystal sky on the controller. Next, we have the micro USB to USB-C. This is for many Android products. Next, we have the micro USB to micro USB. And here is a spare accessory cover for the aircraft. And here we have 2 spare sticks. Next, we'll go with the charger. This charging unit still has the USB along with the battery attachment. But one addition to this is a micro USB that can charge your controller. This is a great addition instead of trying to track down a spare micro USB charging cable, and along with the power supply. And lastly, we'll go with the aircraft. This is the Mavic 2 Enterprise. Still has the foldable compact design, but with that you get many new additional accessories. Here you can see the battery for the Mavic 2 Enterprise. It's much larger and also has onboard heating. They also redesigned the camera and gimbal. It's still a 3-axis gimbal, but offers 2-time optical zoom along with 3-time digital zoom. This also has omnidirectional sensors on the front, back, sides, and on the bottom. Also on the bottom, you can see some lights that automatically activate when landing. Now here we have the USB-C charger, and also used for any firmware updates. And then on the other side, we have the micro SD, and then also have the button for teaching your controller. And on top we have the accessory cover. This is a very thin plastic, so you have to be careful when removing it. And all you have to do to attach one of the accessories is make sure that you line up your micro USB and a few turns of the thumb screw, and you'll be in business. Make sure that you do not over tighten these thumb screws, as you could damage the aircraft. And this also goes for the spotlight, same type of installation, along with the adjustability of the spotlight. And this is a quick overview of the new Mavic 2 Enterprise from DJI. Thank you.